Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now today I'm here to show you SociCake. This is a software that I'll be reviewing today and walking through with you. Basically, in short, what it does is it combines these 8 different types of software. It's kind of like an all-in-one Facebook tool. It not only combines post management, it also adds bots. It allows you to engage with comments automatically over Facebook, build a subscriber list, a messenger subscriber list, as well as you can actually broadcast messages. You can generate opt-ins inside of Facebook with this opt-in link. You can invite people to different events, and you can also make your posts stand out with a number of different rich post editing options, as well as clickable images and a content designer. The software itself has a huge amount of promise and it offers a lot, and this is all available. It's starting off for about $29 and then going up from there. So $29 for all of these different softwares. If you were to invest in the equivalents, they did a wee graph here, you would be ending up paying a lot more obviously than you get within this single dashboard. So this is why this is really quite a cool software, and I really wanted to review this today. This is the dashboard. As soon as you log in, it has a demo there, and I also asked if I could show you a few demonstrations of this software in action. So you can see here, if I click Get Started, this is the bot feature. It actually has a chat bot that you can change and edit as well. And you'll see here that it's actually engaging in conversation with me as well. With SociCake, you can pick up from 20 different message types and action cards and create a chat bot of your dreams. Your bot can send powerful messages. Okay, show me. So this is like you would, if you were in charge of this bot yourself, you could actually have this added to your Facebook page, and it can engage in conversations and invite your viewers or users, people that go to your Facebook page, to engage in conversations with it. It's really quite cool, and it's all included within this single dashboard. And this all operates through the messenger system. Really new and really cool idea. I'll show you how to set this up and kind of how this works. So while that's happening, we're also going to have a look at this. Now, this is still engaging with me here now. What we're going to be able to do is create with this software these different clickable images. Now these are useful because they really stand out in the timeline, and you can see here how large the image is, and it's clickable, so you can actually open it, and you can open it in a new tab, and it's fully clickable. So these are useful for ads, they're useful for anything you're doing where you want to drive someone off Facebook to somewhere else. We're just going to have a look at these posts here. Now these are I can actually put in videos into there as well. You can see here it comes up with a little message, it notifies me and engage in conversation. Here it's giving me a video to watch where I can actually watch more details about what it is that this bot is showing me. You can also use this comment bot. Now you'll see here this looks like a regular post in Facebook, but in actual fact every single comment that's been posted here is automatically replied to by the bot, and you can actually program these replies in yourself. So it's kind of like a hands-off social media marketing system. You can actually set everything up automatically, and it will do this for you. So not only will it can it respond to your posts, it can also like your posts as well, which is really cool. Now you'll see there's some delay here. The bot itself will delay before it likes and before it actually engages, to make it look natural. And obviously, if you were to post a message on someone's page, usually you're not going to get a response immediately. So it will load up, I believe, in a little bit of time. So we'll have a look down here. It hasn't responded yet. It will very soon. So that also happens with this bot as well. Now, if we go to the dashboard here, you can see it has a post manager, growth tool, and messenger bot. It has statistics for each, and the statistics are different in each because your goals are obviously different. With post management, your goal is that you want to get as much engagement as possible, so your fans see more of your posts and you're more known, and you generate more traffic back to your website consistently. Growth tools are where you're looking to build your subscriber list, you're looking to bring people from your website to your bot list, and then you've got messenger bot, which is your main goal is to build a subscriber list, a messenger bot list. Build it larger, so you've got the ability to email out, message out through Messenger a bunch of different messages and emails. It's a really good way of generating a huge amount of traffic and also sales right now. It's proving to be about 4 times more effective than email right now, using a messenger bot instead of email. Now, you should probably use them together. I'm not saying move away from email, but definitely the world is moving towards bots right now. It is the trending thing because a lot of people are having a huge amount of success with it. So let's have a look at the post manager first off. You've got normal posts that you can create, you've got CTA posts, which are call to action posts, and you've got slide posts. So we start here and we look at the normal posts. We create a new post by clicking new post. And what it's going to allow me to do is basically create a normal regular post. You can add images, you can add links, you can add videos, and this is how it will show on the actual campaign itself. You can choose a page of yours that you want to add this to. So I might just say my page, for example, and then I can add a message, hey, check this out, this is really cool, and then I could put in, a little emoji of some sort, lion, and then I can put in an image URL if I want an image to appear here, which I obviously would. I can also upload one from my computer. I can enable comments. That basically means that during this process, the bot will actually comment as people comment. So you saw that bot response that were happening here. This is what that is, okay? So that's basically what that is. And I can select a template if I've pre-created a template for this. I haven't yet pre-created a template. We can do that down in the messenger bot system, which I'll show you a bit later. And we can also schedule this for later. So you can basically create a post as you want in here. You can upload your own image. You can add an image URL. I'll actually add an image URL so I can show you this. So you can see here I've added an image. I'm just adding a random image here, and this would be posted and this image would be sent out to Facebook when I clicked submit. And I can also schedule this in when I wanted to go out at a later date as well if I wanted to. I can name my campaign, and that's basically what you'd do to create a normal post. Now if we go to the second, which is call to action post, we can have a look at how this works. Now, it's not much different. All it means is that when someone clicks on this image, they're actually going to be taken somewhere else. They could be taken to your website, or they could actually be taken through to your bot to subscribe to your messenger list. So this is really cool. You can choose what your call to action is as well. You can get someone to like your page. You can encourage someone to install an app. You can encourage someone to buy now, download. And it's just basically going to customize this for you. And we can select which page we want this on. We could say this is campaign 2, and we could add a quick message here. Hey, look at this. This is great. Click now. Obviously you'd probably write some sort of longer message. There's usually on Facebook what works really well is a long message that educates someone about something interesting, or it gets their attention and brings some controversy and encourages them to want to respond and look. So you probably want to spend a bit more time on this message than I am, but I'm doing this for a demo right now, so it's not too bad. And then we've got a call to action URL. That's your website. Might be like iglooapp.com, and then we've got download button. We've got our call to action link. That's the download here. So this shows me a preview of the image that I want people to click on and takes them somewhere else. I could actually include now a download link here if I wanted to, so when they clicked they would actually be able to download what it is that I'm sending them, or they could opt in. They could opt into my Facebook Messenger list or something like that, and I would post this out onto Facebook as a page post. Now I've got slide posts. Now you've probably seen these are carousels. So they're basically they're perfect for e-commerce, because what you can do is you can actually have like a catalog inside of the newsfeed where someone can click the right or the left tab and they can scroll through different products, and they can effectively shop inside of your Facebook page in the newsfeed, and they can actually buy from you from within that newsfeed. So it's really good for e-commerce. You've also got the video option here as well. I haven't seen many people using this. Usually people just use the image one, because usually people are shopping for stuff they can see that they would want to buy, but I can imagine why it would work with video as well. So you can set up these different posts. You can add in a number of different slides really easily, and I've never seen a software that actually does this before, so it's really quite a cool thing that this software does. You can add as many of these products as you want, and you can actually encourage people to shop, your Facebook fans to shop inside of the newsfeed and buy right within Facebook your products. Now we're going on to live stream. Now in the live stream component of this software, this allows you to upload a video and do a recorded live stream. So you can get people's attention, you can invite them to your live stream, and then when you do go live, you can actually pre-record a video and have that video showing as the live stream. So you don't actually have to be live, you can actually use any video you want for this. As long as it's within Facebook's terms and conditions and guidelines, you can actually upload a video and it shows as live. Now the key benefit here is that, as you'll probably know, Facebook is really trying to push people to watch live streams. I've seen some crazy statistics that people are watching more live video now than anything else in terms of the amount of growth that's happening. So people are watching more and more live stream videos, and it's growing faster than actual videos on the internet right now. They predict that in a couple of years, 2 to 3 years, it's going to start to overtake the amount of TV that people watch. People will instead be watching internet TV live. And it makes sense because you can now watch Facebook Live videos from your TV. You can watch them anywhere. So you can actually schedule these into guide to your Facebook fans. And this is really good because you can pre-record a video, send it out, and then you can benefit from the traffic that comes with that and the extra exposure that Facebook gives you for using their live stream platform. Now you've also got a post editor here. Now this post editor will allow you to design posts. So you could write up a post here, then it will show you a preview of the post, your next, and then you can share the post as a normal post or a call to action post. So it's like a designer, and it will allow you to design your posts with like emojis and all these different things that you might need. Also now we've got, if we go down, you can actually add HTML here, which is really cool as well. You've got comment box. This comment box is basically the if you want to enable automatic comments on your posts. So we saw this not long ago. We actually saw this here. That's that feature right here. So it's basically automating or adding comments to your page. Then you've got a messenger bot. So you can actually choose to add a messenger bot to your pages. It's really easy to do. You just select which one you want a bot enabled to, and then the bot will automatically work. You can customize how that bot works, the automations. You can customize the email, the phone, the subscribers. This is really, really cool. And it in itself is just, it's just a really, really cool tool that they've made really quite easy. So you can set up a bunch of automations. You can add text, you can add images, you can add audio, quick reply responses, and you can choose what you want added within this bot. And you can also say, hey, thanks for checking out my page. Excuse me. And then you can send it out. And you can even put people's names in it as well, customize it. And you can capture leads, you can capture people's phone numbers, you can add carousel images, videos into your posts, into the Facebook Newsfeed Messenger, or Facebook Messenger. And there's a lot that you can do with this. You can also do templates. They've actually got some templates here you can use too. And these templates are really cool. So as you can see with this, you can just add additional replies. So you can actually guess what the person will respond with, or whatever they respond with, you respond with a reply of some type. And you can actually give the user different answers, like different suggested answers, as you can see here, or you saw on the bot, this particular bot here, you saw that it allowed me to say, hey, show me what you're gonna do or what you want to share with me. And then it will come up with a response based on that as well, which is really quite a cool feature. If we go down and we look at the opt-in link, this is basically a opt-in. This will give you the ability to generate opt-ins for your bot through Facebook. It's a link that will, when someone clicks, it'll invite them to become a subscriber of yours. So you can give them something in return, like a PDF. You could give them, some sort of download or free trial of a software or something like that. Then you've got broadcasting. So as you generate leads, your leads will be put into here for your bot, and you'll be able to email them from here. You'll be able to choose which leads you want to email. And you'll also be able to, through here, then send out broadcasts, measure or have a look at your campaigns. And then you've got these growth tools here as well. So you can actually send a message or use a send a message button on your website to help you grow. You can, these are like external tools to help you build your list. You can add a comment box onto your website where people can basically engage in conversations with you as well from a particular page. That's really, really cool. You've got Messenger JSON script. I think that's like some sort of technical thing. And then you've got call to action posters. These are like ads, I guess, that you put on your website, and a lot of different other things that you can use here as well. Then you've got, if we go down here as well, content designer. We're almost there. This will help you design the different content. So I could put in, something here, and then we'll create a new design. And I believe this helps us to create different designs for our posts. So it's also a post designer that we have access to here. Facebook covers, Facebook Square, banner, Facebook quotes, memes. There's like a huge amount that you can do with this software. They've got templates in there as well. And you can customize this as you want, edit as you want. Really, really cool tool. All right, if we go back, then we've got finally our fan inviter bot. This will basically invite fans, and you can send people invites to become a Messenger subscriber and invite people to basically join your bot. So you'll be able to send them messages, and this video shows that. And you'll be able to select people, invite them, and this is basically a bot that will allow you to do that. It'll invite them to your different pages or invite them to your Messenger bot and help you to build your subscriber list faster and get more people looking at your pages as well. So all in all, I'm really impressed. This is a really complete software. It has a huge amount of tools that you really can't get in one particular software. Currently, if you were to try to get all of these different tools, you'd have to get a bunch of different software. This has kind of combined it all, and it's combined it all for a super low cost, which is really, really cool. And if you are looking to get into managing Facebook the new way in 2019, using bots, using the most modern tools such as live stream, you've also got the ability to add external growth tools like Messenger pop-ups onto your website and a bunch of other tools. This is going to be a really good software for you. So I hope this demo has been interesting, and it's showing you how the software works and giving you a bit of a breakdown of how these things work. If you do want to get access, we've got a really cool bonus package down below that you can get access to after watching this video. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.